In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder on a channel in Slack. This is a quick and simple process, but it can really help you keep your files organized, especially if you work with a lot of documents, images, or shared resources in your channels. First, make sure you've opened Slack on your computer, either in the desktop app or in your browser. Once you're in Slack, go ahead and open the specific channel where you want to create the folder. This could be a team channel, a project channel, or any other workspace channel where you regularly share files. Opening the correct channel is important because the folder you create will live inside that channel's file area. With the channel open, move your attention toward the top of the channel window. You should see a small plus icon above the message area or near the file section, depending on your layout and version of Slack. This plus sign is the button you'll use to add or create new items related to that channel. Go ahead and click on the plus sign. And after clicking the plus sign, a small menu or list of options will appear. From here, you want to look for the option labeled folder. This option is specifically for creating a new folder where you can group related files together. Click on folder to start setting it up. Once you click on the folder option, Slack will prompt you to type in a folder name. This is your chance to make things clear and easy to find later. Choose a name that describes the contents or purpose of the folder. For example, you might want to name it Design Assets, Meeting Notes, or Reports from 2024. Try to avoid vague names like Stuff or MSC because those can become confusing over time. Type your chosen name into the folder name field, then confirm or save depending on what button you see. Slack will now create the folder within that channel and you'll be able to start adding files to it right away. You could drag and drop files into the folder or upload new ones directly into it, helping your channel stay tidy and organized. And that's it. You've opened the channel, clicked the plus sign, selected the folder option, and given your folder a clear, useful name. Now you're ready to keep your Slack files structured and easy to navigate for you and your team. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.